Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to rip sprites from games. Sprite ripping is the process of extracting individual graphic elements, like characters or objects, directly from a game's files or memory. This technique is popular among artists, game developers, and enthusiasts who wish to study game art, create fan content, or use these assets for personal, non-commercial projects. We will cover the essential methods and tools to get you started on this fascinating journey. There are several primary methods for ripping sprites. One common approach is direct extraction, where you unpack game archives using specialized tools to access image files like PNGs or GIF. Another powerful method involves using emulators with built-in debugging features. These allow you to view and save graphics directly from the game's memory as it runs. Finally, screen capture software can record gameplay, letting you manually isolate sprites from individual frames using image editing programs. Let's walk through a typical ripping process. First, prepare your workspace by installing the appropriate game unpackers, emulators, or screen capture software. Next, execute your chosen method. Either extract files directly, use an emulator's graphic debugger to save sprite sheets, or record gameplay footage. Once you have your raw images, open them in an image editor like GIMP or Photoshop. Carefully crop and isolate each individual sprite, ensuring clean edges and transparent backgrounds where needed. To ensure a successful and responsible ripping experience, here are some key tips. Always respect copyright. Use ripped assets for personal, non-commercial projects only. Strive for the highest possible resolution when capturing or extracting to preserve image quality and detail. Consider using a consistent naming convention for your files, perhaps including the game title and character name. Finally, organize your ripped sprites into well-labeled folders for easy access and future creative endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.